This is the review for 29th of May, which was yesterday. I have been doing a lot of work on measured move, harmonic movement, 3 legs down, and understanding and measuring those. Uh, I've mentioned it quite a few times. I have been lately indulged in the work by L. Brooks and Larry Pesavento. This is a demonstration of all those work, and I am inculcating all those techniques into my trading style, and it seems to be working well. I need to build that mental fortitude of holding the trades and pressing as much as I can, and I am working on it, and soon will come up with ways to build that fortitude. Now, to specifically look at what exactly did we trade and how did we made those decisions, this is the review. Starting on with the DAX index, it opened here, and the opening bars were very negative, and those who know L. Brooks, 3 consecutive bear bars, and you should see more move down is what he teach. And every retracement could be an opportunity in the direction of the trend. Also, since it's the opening, you always have to be very careful, since 50% of the opening breakouts fail. Being cautious about it, we waited for our time, and when I saw this buying while the sell was very strong, I was of the idea that maybe we might see higher prices, and I bought the first deep retracement, and I sold it at the close. I was looking at Dow Jones and was also looking at Nasdaq along with the FTSE. Everything seems to be weak, and I did not want it, and it was a scalp. And then I started looking for moves in the direction of the opening move, and when this started to fail, we saw 2 consecutive bear bars, and this bar, when it closed near its low, I wanted to short. I measured this move and was expecting another measured move lower. I shorted here with this top above this 5-minute bar, and then every close, bear close, is an opportunity to add. I did not add it, I only added once. While this was also an add, I did not, and I was of the opinion that while this could be the target, I did not find that it might be right to fight the bigger trend, which is overall positive. I closed my trade around the lows and did not had any more trade, but this was something of importance that I noticed. If you look at this reversal, which was a retracement, and you had an equal retracement around here, generally the market makes, whenever it makes the retracement, are of equal size if the generally the trend is always in sync. If we measure this retracement, with this one it would be equal, and then a cell, a break, and then another cell. If you measure from here to these lows, the another leg starting from here would be most probably equal. That is what the measured move work is around. I am doing some work around it. I'll present some good data and how I am trading. I am trading measured move these days. This was the Dow Jones. We opened negative, but this was around the close, so I was hoping that we would have support around here. When this bar went below last three bars, made a double bottom, I bought the high. Unfortunately it closed, and then we saw three consecutive bear bars. I got stopped out at the bottom, and then I was of the opinion that I need to find a sell maybe. And after this retracement, when we had a bear close, I shorted it only to get myself stopped out above the high of this 5-minute bar. On a 15-minute time frame as well, the Dow Jones was very sideways. You would see lot of overlap bars, and then I avoided trading any further in it. Nasdaq open was very negative, and this was the first retracement. This was an A, B, C, D, and equal measured move, and on the pullback I shorted since the Dow was weak, DAX was falling, Asian session was also negative, and we had Nasdaq filling gap somewhere around 21,260 or 270 around here. And on the retracement I sold it above a prior bar high, added after I saw an bear close, only to get myself stopped out at the breakdown point. And then I waited for another opportunity, and when I saw these three consecutive bear close, I sold again with a stop above this area. I was about to be proven wrong, and then this big bar was printed and I sold again near the lows with a stop above the recent swing, and I started to find where the market could go. This was a measured move down, and this could be a bigger measured move from there to here. This is the retracement and then another move, and this was the projected target that I had in my mind. And I waited for the market to at least go below this low, and market printed this bar. It seemed like a climax bar to me. It was comparative to all the bars a very big bar, and I exited when this bar was closing. Around the close only I exited, and the market went further 50 points maybe in my favor, but I was not on board. And then we saw a reversal. When I saw a reversal, I started measuring the retracement, and this was the retracement, and I projected the same retracement here, and this was the point where we started even seeing sellers coming in. I shorted here with the stop above this range, and I got stopped out unfortunately. And later I checked, while whenever you measure retracement, there are two ways you can measure retracement. You can either measure the tails or you can consider the bodies. I specifically considered the tail here, and it was an overshoot. Had I considered the body, it exactly reversed from the measured move. That was unlucky, but you do not always. While the idea was right and the stop was tight, so we did not lose much, but it would have also been a good trade, and the target was obviously at least a new low or a retest of this area. The measured move work and the retracement or even the bar counting seems to be working well, and this is the idea that I want to stick to. I'll come with some data and work around measured move. Today also is a good day. Market is in a rally. One thing that I am noticing is that while stops are alright and tight, I am exiting early in a lot of winning trades. Next week onwards, want to measure this very closely, because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. That would be the work that I would be doing, and meanwhile I'll present a good work on trends, how to onboard the trend, how to identify strong trend, and then measured move and harmonic retracements.